boo? It is your girl Stacy Boo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I really wanted to do this like cute Merlot mulled wine look because I just been seeing it online and I just think it looks so pretty. But yes, so that is what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be doing a cute little mulled wine Merlot look. So first we're going to jump right into moisturizer, and I'm going to just moisturize this face. I just washed my face and everything, so I am like so dry. Let me fix my mirror. Yes, child, I'm so dry. I've been like but the whole time, child, so dry. Now since I got a little moisture in there, we're going to jump into primer. Get some primer up in here because we want to get this done and get it nice. And the moisturizer and primer that I am definitely using is the e.l.f. Power Grip and the e.l.f. Hello Hydration. I want to make sure I get under my eyes too, because I be wanting that product to stick. Make sure I get that primer all up under them eyes because I need that thing to grip. Instead of me jumping right into my foundation, what I just been doing now is letting that sit for a little bit, get a little sticky. It's getting sticky, but let it get sticky a little bit so then it can grip even more on the face. So that's what I just been doing. I'm just gonna clean up these brows, just to clean up these brows a little bit. Just so it can pick up a little bit, I'll put a little on my lid because I do want it to pick up. I do want that color to pick up just a little bit. Just concentrate it right here on the bottom of the lid like that. So now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into this beautiful palette right here. This is the Be Perfect Scepter, the Vivian palette. I think I've showed this palette, but if this is your first time, this is what the palette looks like. Giving. Okay, so I'm going to jump into medium rare. And I'm just going to take medium rare and I'm just going to stamp that really light into my crease. I'm just saying, anything Be Perfect is just going to pop. It's just going to pop. Yeah, I'm liking that. That looks really nice. So now since I have that down, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna just lay this like right here as well. Just keeping it right here in my inner crease, just defining the front of my crease real quick. You see what I'm saying? Just playing with that just a little bit. I mean, I have to take a more of a bigger brush, and I'm going to try Marsha. Try that and just dust that on the edges and dust a little bit in the middle too. I like the way that's blending too. I'm gonna jump into this Blackberry, and this is in the this is in my Stacey Marie Tatiana palette, and I'm just jumping into this purple just to darken the crease, to give that dark look a little bit, you know, just like that. And then I'm gonna just take a little bit of black just to give it like that tone. I got that from Stacey Marie. She showed me how to do that. I love Stacey Marie, and I love the fact that she has my name. Her name is Stacy, like me. Oh my goodness, I just love Stacy. One day Stacy's gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna do hers. We're gonna do each other. We're gonna play together. But yeah, I'm just deepening that a little bit. I kind of mixed the black with the purple. I'm just going to take a little bit of this black. It's called a bias in this palette, this little black right here. Like I'm always using like liquid. Instead of using liquid, let me use some eyeshadow and see how that works. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm always using liquid. I don't know about you, but I'm a liquid girl. Okay.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Okay, so now since I have that down, I'm trying to think what should I do in the middle. I kind of want to do like a shimmer in the middle, but I don't know what shimmer. Oh, let's try this. This is called Naive. I think that's called Naive. This right here. Now I'm going to put it, spray it. Oh yeah, that looks pretty. I think it looks pretty. I think it looks gorgeous, baby. Now, first of all, I've been forgetting to put on my, got boxes of those and I keep forgetting to put them on. So ain't no reason for me to waste them, baby, because they're $20 for 6. Okay, so we're gonna do that in the next video. But since I got these eyes down or whatever, I'm definitely gonna put on some mascara. And of course it's gonna be Fenty, because Fenty, she be pulling these lashes out. I love Fenty. I'm gonna take this black and rub it on my waterline. And I do want to put a little shimmer on my brow bone. I'll take glaze, and I'm just gonna lay there. Alright, my boos, so now since we have these eyes down, we're gonna jump right into face. So I'm gonna just be taking my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to be putting that right on the face. And now I'm going to take a little lighter shade and put that right there. Alright, and now I'm going to take one more light shade. I like to do it in layers. Even though it don't even look like I really put anything light on there, but I did. Alright, so now since we have that down, we're going to contour. Now face, y'all already know, I kind of been keeping my same kind of routine, regimen, or whatever you want to call it. And I'm thinking about giving Glam. I mean, why not? Might as well give Glam. And I'm just doing a little reverse contour as well. Just because I'm doing Glam, might as well get into the reverse contour. Just like that. And now I'm just going to blend this all in. Look at that. Stop playing, okay? Ooh. I put something right in my eye. You ever feel like something went right in your eye? That's how I felt. Just want to take some blush, just a little bit. And I just want to stamp that right over. And we are definitely jumping into the curve case for the blush, and we're jumping into a Shy Boy only. Putting it over the nose just a little bit. All right, so now let me bake real good. Oh no, before I'm a bake, child, I done did all this and forgot to put foundation on, but that's because I use a drop, just a drop. And I take, this was my first favorite foundation brush. Oh, and I also got a contour on my nose, but that's all you needed. Favorite brush on the planet, okay? Now, this is my favorite NYX brush, and that's so crazy that this is the brush that I felt like, okay, should be doing this because somebody told me about this brush in the store, and then Jackiana, this was like her favorite brush. So this is her favorite, but mine is a good brush too. This is a good foundation brush, and this is actually MAC 137. So this is my first favorite, and this is my second favorite. But this one, it really matters about your brushes. Brushes really do matter. So we are going to use the kimchi, and I'm just going to take that kimchi and bake. And I'm kind of like baking but setting at the same time. Good. Let me jump on my contour powder. Oh, I almost forgot. Can't go nowhere. I don't know why I do this, but I always do my nose last. I don't know why, but I'm always doing my nose last. It's just a habit. Okay. All right, that looks really good. I'm gonna take some Charlotte Tilbury too, and I'm gonna put that over top. Get rid of any excess, this formula on the Charlotte Tilbury, she showed her ass. So now, since we had that down, I'm gonna jump into my Mocha Mommy. I like that. That looks good. All right, and now since we have that down, I'm going to finish up the eyes. And basically what I'm doing is just closing the eye. Now since I have that down, I'm gonna put my earrings on because, child, I have a meeting, so I'm gonna put my earrings on. Okay. And now we're going to be jumping our cute booties in some lip, okay? I really like how this eye came out. Let me do my first spray, just to set everything in. I got new lips and I still wanna, so. Will show off. So we just gonna keep it very simple for the lip. I mean, when the eyes is already doing something, it's like, why do that? So we're gonna jump on Naked Rose by Pat McGrath. Oh, I like that. What you think? I don't know. Let me like. I like that. But it's just given that I should just keep it regular with like a regular lip. So we're gonna jump into this P. Louise. I just want to see. I just think, look, play it safe. It does not hurt to play it safe sometimes. Especially when you got a lot on the eyes. Even though that Dreamscape, that glitter, it still look nice on the lip. And then I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place grape. This shine though, it do something. Look how that shine right there. Look. Ooh. Okay. Stop playing. And then we just gonna do one more spray. just to hold that in. And this is the final look, my boo. I really like the way this look came out, baby. Okay, and if you are feeling this look, do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, my boo, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.
Stay on my mind, stay on my mind. You on my mind, stay on my mind.